an error. So this saying maintain fiscal year variance for company code AD00 message. Maintain fiscal year variance. Maintain fiscal year variance. So we'll go into the system and see. Mind you, we have created a fiscal year variance, but we'll see what exactly is the issue. Let's open on that screen. I'm using Control N to open on that screen. I'm going to the back end now. Going to the back end, and I'll quickly just check financial accounting under financial accounting global setting, ledger, field, because it's field. Then we'll come to I'm not sure it's field. Okay, see, fiscal year and posting period. Look at this fiscal year. So it's the error is saying, let's go back again. Maintain fiscal year variance. Maintain fiscal year variance, and we have done that because if we look at our Excel define fiscal status variance, assign fiscal year variance, assign. Okay, you can see we have maintained a fiscal year. You can see the green check. We have maintained a fiscal year. So why is the system still asking us for fiscal year? Maintain fiscal year variance for company code AD00. What's the issue? So let's go inside and look. So maintain fiscal year variance, like we rightly said, we do not need to maintain any new fiscal year variance again because there are some default fiscal year variant that comes into the system. You can see fiscal year variant, there are some defaults, and as per Nigeria that we are currently, K4 is used for January to December, right? It's a January to December fiscal year variant, so we do not really need to do any maintenance here. But if at all you want to do any one, you can always click on this and copy it and do some changes if at all. But I'm not showing you this on this video, maybe another video. So then we'll have look at the major thing is have we assigned the fiscal year variant to the company code, because the error is pointing us maintain fiscal year variant for company code, meaning that it wants us to maintain a fiscal year and assign it to the company code. So okay, now we have fiscal year variant. Have we assigned it? So let's go into position and check. Our company code is this. Click enter. So we have our company code, and this is the fiscal year variant that was assigned to it. Let's change this to K4. No, so we now have this as our fiscal year variance, right? But even at that error should not be an issue because there's a fiscal year variant that was mapped to it. So it should see that fiscal year variant. But let's go back again and try again. Let's go back and start trying again. MB50. Now we have assigned the fiscal year variant. I'll quickly just try to post without going through what we have gone through before. Debit. I'll just click enter again. I'll go inside. So it's again, the errors still keep prompting. Maintain fiscal year variant for company code. Haven't we done maintenance of fiscal year variant? We have. So why is the error coming up again? We have maintained our fiscal year. We have assigned it. Why is it still coming up? Let's check again. Our company code is this. Then we have maintained the fiscal year variant. Let's save again. So why is this error coming up? Let's try again. Let's try again. Like I said, if we don't do it this way, you'll be able to know where the issues are actually coming from. You won't be able to know where the issues are coming from. If you configure the system and we come back to postings, you will see some errors, and in future you won't be able to know where the issues are coming from. Again, maintain fiscal year variant for company code AD00. So what comes to my mind? What comes to my mind is that we have maintained a fiscal year variant and we have assigned it to the company code. So, but there's something called, I will just show you now. There's something called posting period. Now, what is posting period? Posting period is the period. Is the period where, for example, let me just make it clearer here. Posting period are just simply your January, February, March. These are posting period. January, February, March down to December. These are posting period. So we need to also do some configuration on that posting period. Mind you, when we're posting, we have done fiscal year variants and it allows us to be able to put the dates. Unfortunately, it's still telling us that there's still some configuration that is required. So we need to go and complete the configuration. However, unfortunately, this particular error is not pointing us directly to posting period. It ought to, but it's not pointing us directly to posting period. But we need to ensure that is also done before we go ahead. So let's see now. So I'll come to define variant for posting period. The first thing you define a variant for posting period. So let me go to Excel and quickly do that. It's under this place. Define variant, variant for posting period. So I'll just click new entry, then I'll say AD. Let me use this. I'll just say posting period variant for times. Right, I'll click enter. I'll save it. I'm using Ctrl S to save it. I'm saving it here. I'll create a variant. The next thing I'll do is to assign the variant to the company code, because like we said, for everything you do, you assign it to the company code. So we'll come to this position and put our company code, then we'll go inside, then I'll put the variant. The variant is also AD00. It should pop up. Yeah, good. I'll click inside, I'll save it. I'm using Ctrl S to save. I'm saving this now. So I've assigned the posting period to the variant now. I've created a variant and I've assigned it to the company code. So let's quickly go back. So let me put this here. Assign posting period variant, posting period variant to company code. COC. There could be other things. So let me just, yeah, good. So now let's try again. It's still pointing us to maintain fiscal variant. Let's go outside and try again. Now